Hello, everyone. How are you doing? My name is Jagadish Sharma. And welcome back to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix a command prompt does not appear when you right-click the Start menu, or press Windows plus X key from keyboard. Let's start. Go to the Windows desktop screen. Right-click on any empty area in your taskbar, and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down a little. Then you will find Replace Command Prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu. When I right-click the Start button or press Windows key plus X. Now, disable this option, and check again by pressing Windows plus X key from keyboard. Great, it's working. Now, if you have experienced any difficulties, please do not hesitate to comment below, and let us know. Okay, that's it for today. I will get back to you in next video, as soon as possible. If you want more video then subscribe New Tech.